back to my channel. Today we're gonna conjugate the auxiliary to be in Sängö. Igwe, kindly remember that we're gonna use the personal pronoun subject in Sängö to conjugate all those verbs. So if you never ever watch that video, I invite you to go there and to check. Okay? So the auxiliary to be in Sängö is Yeke. Yeke. So let's start with the first person of singular. Yeke. Yeke. I am. Yeke. Yeke. You are. Yeke. Yeke. He or she is. Yeke. Yeke. We are. Yeke. Yeke. You are. Ala yeke. Ala yeke. They are. Oh, I'm gonna use some examples for you to understand more. Um, Kindly remember that koli means man or a man, and wali means woman or women. Okay, so I'm gonna use both of them, koli na wali, to conjugate that verb. And what I want you to do in the comment is using that word, I mean, through your, how can I say, your gender. If you are a boy or a girl, kindly choose your gender and try to practice, try to conjugate that one, uh, the auxiliary to be in Sängö. Okay. I hope my English is understandable. As you know, English is not my language. I'm still learning also, but I'm doing my best to help you in order to understand more my language. So, my bad if I mispronounce some word in English. Okay? Yeah. The goal here is that you guys understand what I mean. Okay, that's all. Okay. Yeke koli. I am a man. Yeke koli. You are a man. Yeke koli. He is a man. Yeke a koli. We are men. All right. The plural of nouns in Sängö is symbolizes by the letter A. If you see A precede a word in Sängö, this word is in plural. Let me give you an example. A koli. A koli, man. Koli, a man. I don't know if you get what I mean, but yeah. If you want to use the plural in Sängö, you just have to add the letter A before your words. Yeah, let's say like this. Okay, let's jump. Yeke a koli. We are men. Yeke a koli. You are men. Ala yeke a koli. They are men. Okay, let's go. Let's move forward to the other gender. I mean, female or, yeah, wali. Wali. Yeke wali. I am a woman. Yeke wali. You are a woman. Yeke wali. She is a woman. Yeke a wali. We are women. Yeke a wali. You are women. Ala yeke a wali. They are women. So we are at the end of this short video. I hope you guys will enjoy. Kindly like, share, subscribe if you are new here. And I I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.